This is the instructional video to install Capital PPF's do-it-yourself Jeep Door Hinge Protection Kit. These instructions will work for the JK, JL, Wrangler, and JT Gladiator models. Before installation, you will need a clean spray bottle, soft cloth to clean the hinges, some 70% isopropyl alcohol, not the 91% bottle, water, and the contents of your Capital PPF package. First, please wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Mix an application solution into your clean spray bottle with 25% isopropyl alcohol to 75% water. Clean the hinges with a soft cloth and soapy water. Feel the hinges with your fingers to find any leftover contamination. If your hinges need any paint touch-ups, please allow sufficient time for the paint to dry before applying the film. Find the bonus practice pieces in your package. Hold up the pieces to visually understand how they will line up. We will be aligning the film with a small ridge that is raised up on the top part of the hinge. Remove the film and spray the hinge and the adhesive side of the film with the alcohol water solution. You will find it easiest to apply if you wrap your thumb with the included small gray microfiber cloth and press firmly little by little until the entire piece is pressed down. Be sure to press all the edges firmly. If the film is not aligned properly, simply pull it back off, spray it again with alcohol water solution, and repeat the process. Now you can move on to the bottom piece of the hinge. Start the bottom piece aligned with the top hinge piece and repeat the installation. Don't forget to check the top, bottom, and sides to make sure the alignment is all good. About an hour after installation, use a hairdryer on high heat, low speed to warm the edges and press firmly around the edges one more time. You can also use a heat gun set on a lower setting.